Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this video is really close to my heart because trust me, from past 3 years what I have actually done in my YouTube channel with respect to sharing videos, with respect to sharing materials, with respect to seeing many people making successful career transition. Finally, I feel that yes, this is what I really wanted to do, just recently, many transition stories. I hope you're probably following me on LinkedIn. You see a lot of posts over there with respect to transitions also. But still, there were some problems, and finally, I fixed that particular problem. And going forward, this video is all about, the entire master guide for data science with respect to materials, with respect to cheat sheets, with respect to projects, with respect to project solutions, with respect to interview questions. Everything now will be available at one place. From past 1.5 week, I was actually working on it. And some of the materials which really needed to be revamped, I again created those materials, all handwritten notes. If you probably go ahead and see machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, everything I have probably written it with my hand, in my scribble notebook. I've made sure that I have also included some of the good, amazing diagrams over there wherever it is required. Now, everything will now be available to you at one place so that you can actually make your learning process quite efficiently. Yes, today I was able to complete it. Still, it is 75% completed. And I have a lot of plans as we go ahead because I need to complete some of the playlist with respect to that. Also, videos and materials will also be going to come. So here I represent you, the grand complete data science guide so that you will be able to efficiently become a data scientist, data analyst, or probably go into the data analytics industry. So guys, let me go ahead and share my screen. So this is the grand complete data science materials. You can probably see this is probably my last 3 years of work, entirely, properly, in an order with respect to English and Hindi. So what I've done is that all the links that I've actually given you over here, it is with respect to English and Hindi, both materials and videos. And when I say material and videos, I'm also talking about my handwritten notes. Let me just go ahead and show it to you. Okay. So here it is what you can probably follow this entire roadmap, like whatever roadmap I've actually explained to you with respect to data science. And this is completely for free, guys. Okay. So see, I usually say that, right? If you really want guidance, you can definitely take courses from iNeuron or PW Skills, right? Where we specifically teach. Along with that, if you are keen enough to prepare it by yourself, then also the free materials are available over here. So based on the roadmap here, you can probably see the complete Python playlist is available both in English and Hindi. I've completed this. There are some videos missing in Hindi, but probably I'll just upload it later on. What you can probably do is that just go ahead and check it out. See, if I click it over here, if you probably want in Hindi, all the videos are there. If you want in English, all the videos are there, right? Everything. Similarly, what I've done after this is that if you see over here in the roadmap, next stats. Many people had actually requested for stats materials also. First of all, I'll talk about the videos. Then I will talk about the entire free materials, handwritten notes, everything, where it is. Okay. In most of the videos, the link will be given in the description. But other than that, let's say if you want to probably prepare for the interview and all. So here, all the folders are also there. I'll show you that also. Okay. So with respect to stats, you can probably see over here, stats in English, one shot. Stats in English, detailed playlist, stat in Hindi, detailed playlist. Everything is uploaded. Similarly, with respect to SQL, here you can see complete SQL detailed playlist in English is also available. With respect to Hindi, I'm actually going to come up soon and the recording is in progress. Complete SQL one shot. I will also try to make this specific videos. Along with this, if you want the interview question, here I have also created it. So if you probably see Advanced MySQL series, everything along with questions and answers. I have not skipped anything. And probably tomorrow, if I get more questions, once I explore, you can probably go ahead and refer this, super important. And all these questions are based on some product based companies itself. Here is your question, here is your answer. So you can probably practice in that specific way. Okay, so let me go back and show you the materials in just some time. But first of all, let's go with respect to the videos. Then complete SQL, Git and Git tutorials, GitHub tutorials, both in English and Hindi. I have actually created it. You can check it out. ED and feature engineering, everything is created over here, right? Machine learning playlist, here detailed ML playlist. And there is a new ML playlist in 2023, which I have actually created. And there you can probably see I've written in the best possible way, new materials, new examples, everything is included. Machine learning one shot in English, machine learning playlist in Hindi also is basically created. All these options that I'm actually giving you, let's say if you have interviews in 3 days, you can probably go ahead and see machine learning one shot in English and then refer the materials also. I will talk about the materials as we go ahead. Then you also have complete deep learning and NLP playlist, important framework for production deployments, like what all frameworks you specifically require, like Flask, Gradio, Bento ML, MLOps, ML Flow and DAX Hub. Those videos are also recorded. If you want SageMaker detailed playlist is also coming, and I have also created one end-to-end project, one more end-to-end project. Soon the link will be available over here. Then complete MLOps tutorial like Dockers, ML Flow end-to-end, evidently AI monitoring, GitHub Actions. See, GitHub Actions and Hindi. In Hindi, I'm going to basically come up very soon. Complete GitHub Action in English is getting recorded. It will also be available. And soon, I'll also be coming up with Kubernetes and Kubeflow tutorials, right? See, at the end of the day, everything will be available to you in a very precise manner. End-to-end machine learning projects with ML Flow and all, I've already uploaded that in my channel. Then here you can see end-to-end machine learning and deep learning playlist. Trust me guys, this deep learning playlist and machine learning projects that I've actually specifically done, you can crack any interviews as you go ahead, because I've covered each and every steps with respect to deployment and all. You can definitely refer this completely. Line by line code, I've actually shown it over here. Okay. Now, similarly, if you want to probably go ahead and see with respect to the end-to-end machine learning playlist in Hindi, that also I have actually created over here. And this playlist is soon going to get completed. I have 2 more tutorials to get uploaded over here with respect to deployment also. So soon this will also get completed. So in Hindi, in English, everything is available to you. If you are a Hindi speaking candidate, please go ahead and watch this. If you are English speaking candidate, 2 main channels are basically there, Krish Naik and Krish Naik Hindi YouTube channel. Then generative AI and OpenAI playlist. I've already started this playlist. More videos are going to come up, and along with this, I'll also be covering up Chainlit playlist, which will also be available. Then you have PySpark tutorials. Then complete data science, machine learning, and deep learning interview questions. Right? Whenever you are probably want to go for the interviews, you can probably refer this entire 30 days interview preparation. Right? Everything is there. Right? Then you also have this tracker sheet. I had actually created this tracker sheet to make sure that you track each and every information with respect to your learning, right? Suppose if you have completed, how much time you have actually devoted, you just need to start writing the input and outputs over here, right? And based on this entire tracker sheet is created. Let's say the first video in one of my playlists is to this one, then I will just go and say yet to start it, and I'll change the status, and based on that, the tracking will basically happen. Everything is basically completed with respect to this also, right? And finally, these are my YouTube channels, guys. And these YouTube channels we will be continuing. And one more YouTube channel I'm going to open, that is Success Stories by Krish. It is going to come up. This is the YouTube link. I would suggest you please go ahead and subscribe 3 of the channel. And please make sure that you write the bell, press the bell icon, because whenever I upload any videos, it will get uploaded. Now, what is the Success Stories by Krish? Here, what I'm actually trying to do, I'll call people who have made amazing transitions, who are government employees, who are UPSC officers, IS officers, IPS officers, who are big people who have actually cracked all the kind of exams that are there with respect to jobs, data analysts, big data engineers. All those success stories I will try to bring up in this specific channel, so that whenever you require it, you'll be able to follow it, right? Now, first thing what you have to do is that please make sure that you go ahead and star it. Right now, 162 people have started, and fork it. Fork it basically means you make a copy of all these things. And along with that, you watch it, make it in unwatched status, right? Because if you're watching it, whenever I try to upload any new content over here, automatically you'll get the notification, so that you can pull the request from here, right? Now, let me go to the most amazing thing, which is the handwritten materials, right? So here you'll be able to see handwritten materials are quite amazing, because I have probably written each and every handwritten PDFs with respect to all the algorithms and all. So this will be super beneficial whenever you go for the interviews. Everything with respect to any algorithm, you want to probably see how things are happening, how things are not happening, all the mathematical equations, what all things you really require. Let's say if I want to probably show you stats, this is what stats PDF look like, where I have explained each and every concept. You want to revise quickly. Let's say in a couple of days you have an interview, you want to quickly revise by just seeing the handwritten materials. You can definitely check out this entire materials. I don't know why it is taking time to load this, but here all these PDFs are available. If you probably see with respect to each and everything PDFs, along with that practical materials are also available in Jupyter Notebook format. See over here, right? So here you'll also be able to see the practical folder, right? So let's say if I go to stats 3, I don't know why this is not getting loaded, but all these materials are super amazing. You can probably see over here, right? With a lot of examples, with problem statement, everything I've uploaded it over here, and this is the best amazing things that we have, right? Not only this, guys, you can probably see different practicals. Everything is uploaded, from NLP to machine learning to CNN to deep learning to LSTM RNN to generative AI, everything is there. If you probably show you the quality, see some of the things that I had to rewrite again. If I just show you one of the example with respect to this, right, and how the material specifically look like, you'll get an idea. Everything I've put up a lot of effort in writing all this specific material. Now, why I'm doing this? It is for your beneficial, guys. I want to make this entire GitHub available, this repository available till generations, guys, right? All the generations should use it, because these are the complete handwritten notes with materials, with everything that is there, right? So here you can probably find out everything with respect to this also, and practical is also there. You can probably see all the practical materials and all. See, loss function, cost function, everything, mathematical equations, whatever thing is basically required, everything is mentioned over here, right? Now, this is just one example. Along with this, what I'm actually going to do, a lot of interview questions that I'm going to basically cover, like in SQL, I'm going to probably go and show you all the complicated, complex questions, and how you can probably write the query with respect to that, all those things. Soon MongoDB also I'll be able to cover it up, okay? Now, just I'll show you this one, Advanced MySQL. This was basically from all the top 50 product-based companies. Those examples have been taken, and here you'll be able to see all these kind of queries that are written with respect to that. It is sub-nested queries, difficult queries, complex queries, which we'll basically look at. Not only this, like in GitHub and Git, I've also added the cheat sheet, right? Whenever you specifically require any cheat sheet to refer, in Docker you have specifically cheat sheet. Detailed video regarding this is already available in my channel also, right? Trust me, guys, this materials will take you to somewhere else, right? All you have to do is that go ahead and refer it. Let's say if you just have 2 to 3 days time with respect to your interview, then you should definitely refer all the materials that are over here, right? Now, soon generative AI materials will also be coming, and there are also some detailed materials with respect to projects and all that you will be able to see from the YouTube link itself, right? Now, my main aim was to democratize AI and the entire data science education. I've done that. Yes, we have focused on affordability courses also. We have focused on providing a lot of free materials, things where people have utilized that and made successful and amazing career transition. And this is what I really wanted. This is what I really wanted to do. Now, from your side, what you need to specifically do is that go ahead and start it, share with all your friends, guys. This is the time. If you are not sharing it right now, I at least want 10,000 stars over here so that it should be trending in GitHub. The reason it should be trending, because this is completely for free and everybody should have the right to access these materials, right? So now onwards, you don't have to worry about any materials and all. Everything in the upcoming videos and all what we are planning, everything will be uploaded here itself, so that you just have one thing to refer all about. So yes, I hope you like this particular video. This was it for my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great day.